Hey guys, welcome to part 2. Today we're going to be playing in the key of E minor and showing you some cool sad chords in that key. Let me play it for you. So we've got an E minor 9. C major 7, D6, you can do this A minor, into the E minor, C6, G, So just to show you this, the E minor over here, it's at the 7th fret. I've got capo on the 1st fret here, so. And this, it's the same chords for Sting's song. And then this is a D6, D major 6. So this is the 6th note. The 3, 4, 5, 6. And then a C, major 6. And then with the A minor, you can do this cool thing, which you can't do in the key of A minor, but in the key of E minor, you can play the A minor. It's a sharp 11 there. And then that sharp 11 becomes a 9 if you're playing E minor. And then C major 7, and with the major 6. D with the open B string makes this D major 6. Very interesting chords. Thanks for watching and thanks for the support on the last video. Really appreciate that. That's a lot of views there. So the part 3 of this video is going to be something like a more structured piece, or we'll see how it goes from here. But we're going to combine everything that we've been learning with these sad chords kind of thing. Okay, sweet. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.